it's Hannah, and welcome back to my channel, or hi, hello if you're new here. If you're new here, hi, hello, and welcome. My name is Hannah. Thank you so much for stopping by and checking out me and my YouTube channel. For today's video, I'm very excited because I'm going to be doing a complete room makeover. That is right, you are going to see step-by-step me redoing my room. So if you would like to see this, then just go ahead and stick around for the rest of the video. So here is my walls currently. They are bright neon sherbet orange, and this is just what this area looks like. This is all going to be changed in a few days. This is the overview of what this area also looks like. These frames will be painted gold, and then I have these really pretty lights that kind of like hang over my closet. This whole area right here isn't going to be changed too much. I'm going to get new bulletin boards. That's going to stay the same. That's going to stay the same. I'm going to organize that. That's not going to stay the same. And I'm going to get some new curtains, and I'm going to keep the little chandelier. This area is going to be changing. Obviously, I'm getting new bedding. The princess sign is going, but the two other little signs right there that's got lashes on them are going to be staying. Okay, so my room is officially painted and is now white. This curtain right here as well. So this area is not finished, but this is just kind of like a sneak peek of everything. Still need to go through a few things here in my room, but other than that, just a slow little spin around. It's coming together. So I added a plant there. Nothing over here has really changed much. That's going to get reorganized. There's a chair there because my mom just hung up new little lights. And then I have a plant there that's probably going to get changed. Gonna get a new frame. That frame's not gonna stay. That's just dirty clothes. Here is a sneak peek of my bedding. This is what it looks like. And the throw pillows, the gold ones, those are from Shein. Here's a sneak peek of this. And let me raise up so y'all can see this really pretty coaster that I have now at the top of my little dresser / nightstand to keep my water bottle on. I wanted more personalized stuff than what I've had in my room before, so this is just what this looks like. It is absolutely gorgeous. It's gold and it's white, and it fits the theme of my room, and I just could not be more obsessed with it. This big gold H right here, I got it from a website called weddingcenterpieces.com. I'll have the link down below. But yeah, that is just how my room is coming to. Here is what my room is looking like so far. I'm just going nice and slow to get into the door. But yeah, let's start out over here. So I put that little sign up there that I made forever ago. There's another little thing on top of there. I don't really know what that is, but we got a little glass thing. We did go to Hobby Lobby yesterday, and we got me a new memory board. So let me show y'all what that looks like. Also, too, that little H that's normally in the background of my videos, that might not be in the background anymore because I might need to use that for something else. But we did get me a new memory board, so there is what that looks like. It's just white and gold from Hobby Lobby. We did also have to change out some of my bulbs and my lights over here that I'm trying to show y'all. We did have to do that because they were just way too bright. So we mixed in some purple to make it a little bit darker. Over here is quite interesting. So I decided to put my H over here instead of on my little dresser because I just feel like it stands out a little bit more. And I moved that plant. I still want to get a different frame for that picture right there. I did get a new laundry hamper yesterday along with a blanket. That is a mirror back there. I've had that since I was really little in my room. It used to be my mom's when she lived in my grandparents' house, and she's going to paint it gold, and I'm going to keep it. So this is what my bed looks like. We got a new pillow yesterday. I got one that just has little gold polka dots on it, and I got some new decor to go around my bed, around the walls. I still have nothing really up around the walls. I moved this plant right over here along with the little gold ball thingy. I got that yesterday at Walmart. So I believe that's it. You're going to see the other room decor in a bit though, I promise. Sorry about the glare, but here is my dresser / nightstand, and I am obsessed with it. So let's come up so that way y'all can see it a little bit better. So the mirror we just painted gold along with my lamp. So that's my original lamp and mirror that was in my room. This mirror I've had since I was really little. It's been in my room since as long as I can remember. And then this lamp has also been in my room for as long as I could remember. Now this came from Walmart, and I don't really know exactly what it is or what this is for. I think it's just like a decorative piece. But I thought it was really pretty and I wanted to get it because it was gold. This little thing right here I found the other day at a dollar store, and it just has a bunch of hair clips in it, so that's really cool. It's just keeping my hair clips. And then I got this little fake plant. It is so adorable. I got all my fake plants off of Shein, so this is my first one. And then I just have this little drawer thing here that just keeps some of like my medicines and hair ties, just really boring stuff. I have my hairbrush, my underarm deodorants and that kind of thing. So yeah, that is this little area over here. Alright, so this area is a little bit messy, but this is just what this looks like. It's haven't really changed at all. The only thing is that we did put my stool under there, and we put my laptop under on the stool, and all of that's just under there now, just chilling. So nothing over here has changed. I want to get some gold brush organizers from Amazon in the next couple of days. That's probably what I'm gonna do. But other than that, this is just what this area looks like, and we just put that picture back up on the wall like it was before. This area probably has changed the most, so I got the middle picture from Hobby Lobby, and then the little mirrors around the picture, that was a Christmas gift from my aunt this past Christmas. We kept my unicorns up there. I kept those little flowers. I might replace those with daisies because I did order some daisies from Shein. That's what I'm still needing a vase for. I can't find a vase on Shein that I like for them. So I don't really know what I'm going to do. And the daisies are a bit too tiny to fit inside of that vase already. And also too, I just have all this crap in my room because when we got Dish, unfortunately, the Hooper thing, I don't even know, the internet thing, and then the, I guess like the actual satellite box has to be in my room because it's where we got the most connection at. So let's go over to my window seat and let's see that area as well. Where my jewelry box is now, and I just have a Sephora bag on top of it along with my tripod over here in the corner. And then I added this one to a sparkle sign up on the wall above my jewelry box because, you know, jewelry sparkles, and yeah. So I got that at Hobby Lobby as well for a very inexpensive price. So I wanted to wait until it was daylight again so that way I could film and that way y'all could actually see. So here is what my window seat looks like. Just a quick little overview. The only thing we did change over here is my sign is now up there. I got that from Five Below a really long time ago, so I don't really know if that's still available or not. We did paint the little bins over here. We did paint them gold. We just spray painted them. That one down there just has Bath and Body Works hand sanitizers. This one up here just has my journal, and then I just added that cute little plant right there. None of this area, well, actually, I'm sorry, I'll take that back. This area did change a little bit. On top of one of my makeup organizers, we did add my little candle and my box that used to be in the background of my videos, along with this cute old coaster that my grandparents got me from Hobby Lobby. So now I'm going to turn around and I'm going to show y'all my memory board. Okay, so here's just a quick little overview of what my memory board looks like. And that's just a little bit more of a better view of my sign. I need to fix that because the letters got messed up and I want to put a different message on it. Also, too, this pink box right here, that's going to go in storage soon because that was actually it has a bunch of my stuff that I wore when I was really little, and then it has a bunch of my great-grandmother's stuff in it, so I don't want any of that to get lost, so I'm going to put that away in storage. And then I just have this little command hook right there that just holds my purse, and then I have another one on this side that holds all of my face masks. Here is what my bed looks like. It's just pink. And it has little ruffles with gold stars on it. How cute. We added a new white blanket to the foot of my bed. And then the gold sequin pillows, those are from Shein. They were actually pillowcases. And I didn't know that they did not actually come with a pillow, that they were just pillowcases, because it says online that they are pillows, but if you order them offline, they're just pillowcases. So be warned, you're going to need a pillow to put in them. That little white and gold polka dotted pillow back there, that came from Hobby Lobby. The pink pillow came with the bedding. And then back there is just some more pillows. And then I have these little lash signs. This is my lift. Sorry about that. I can't move it, but I'd have to have help to do that, and I don't really currently have that at the moment. I'm going to try to get this where y'all can see this. So that's my H, and then we just put a bunch of little butterflies around it that I also got from Shein. The H came from a local boutique forever ago. I don't remember where the lash signs came from. But, yeah, so that is the complete and finished room tour. I really love it. And then the curtains I got for Christmas, and I don't really know where they came from, but they're just a light blush color. So, alrighty, y'all, so that is the end of this video. I really hope that you all did enjoy it. More importantly, I really love my new room, and I hope that you all do too. If you haven't already, and if you would like to, I would greatly appreciate it if you would hit that subscribe button right down there, down below. You can also give me a follow over on my social media handles as well. It's a great way to keep up with me because I post and upload new videos every Mondays, Tuesdays, Thursdays, and Saturdays at 6 p.m. Eastern Time. So that is a time that I upload, and whenever you can see my crazy shenanigans, because I'd absolutely love to have you come on here and join me and be a part of my channel. So yeah, thank you all so much for watching this video. I greatly appreciate it, and I will see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye, my little unicorns.